Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to create data entry form within Excel. After watching this video, you will find creating data entry form very easy in just two simple steps. So first step will be to bring the data entry option within your Excel. So how to do that? For doing that, you can click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and in the option Choose Commands From, you can click on Commands Not in the ribbon. Then you can look for an option called Form. Now this form, we want to place it under a new tab. You can also place it under your existing tabs. So these are our existing default tabs. So let's say if I would want to put the form option under a new tab. In that case, I will create a new tab. As you can see, the moment I click on new tab, it gives me a new tab. I can rename this tab called as data entry. Clicked on OK. So as you can see, it shows as data entry. Now you can click on the new group, and thereafter you can click on form and add it to that new group and click on OK. So as you can see, we've completed our first step, which is bringing the data entry option in our ribbon. Now let's say if you want to create your data entry form with the given fields, which is first name, last name, country, email ID, and the company of that individual. Please bear that in mind that your content needs to be in a tabular format. So just in case if your fields are not entered as table, you can click on Insert and click on Table to bring it in the table format. After doing so, now we can make use of the data entry form. You can click on Data Entry, click on Form. So as you can see, all the fields which we have created in our Excel shows in the form of a data entry form. So let's say here you can start entering the details. And the moment you click on New, you will realize that the first data entered becomes the first row, and it gives you an option to enter another individual's detail. So isn't it easy? You can keep creating your data entry form. Data you can enter, and each data becomes your row in the table. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share this video, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.